Working with educational software or knowledge management systems and have KM3 files, this format stores knowledge modules from KME applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these KME knowledge module files. I call this the last resort solution for those KM3 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A data file associated with Knowledge Master Europe, KME, an educational software platform for creating and sharing interactive learning modules. Users encounter this file when they download or receive a specific lesson or quiz. The primary intent is to load this module into the KME software to access the educational content. The KM3 file is likely a proprietary binary container that packages various assets like text, images, and quiz logic. This self-contained design allows for easy distribution of educational modules, ensuring all necessary components are bundled together for the KME application to render the lesson correctly. The native handler for KM3 files is usually Knowledge Master Europe, KME, from KME. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows exposes only limited internal information, meaning full interpretation depends on the generating tool. Your key action: right-click the KM3 file and select Open With. If Knowledge Master Europe KME is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the KM3 file opens successfully. If you are still having trouble opening the KM3 file, do not worry. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, opening in KME Software. Install the KME application that originally created the KM3 file. The software opens KM3 modules directly, providing the intended interactive learning experience, including lesson navigation, exercise completion, and progress tracking. KME Software is the only way to fully access the interactive content. Next, inspecting module contents. If KME Software is unavailable, try opening the KM3 file with archive utilities like 7-zip in case it uses a zip-based container. This may reveal embedded XML files, images, and resources providing access to learning content, even without the original application for viewing or extraction. Finally, contacting educational vendor. Contact the original educational software vendor or institution that created the KM3 module for guidance. They can provide current viewer applications, conversion tools, or migrated versions of the content. Educational publishers often maintain support for legacy formats used in their training products. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.